Did you know that AT&T Premier lets you customize how you see your data? In this video, we'll show you how. To get started, you can choose from a wide variety of graphs, like bar, line, column, donut, and more. Let's begin using a donut graph showing total current charges. If you prefer a different graph, you can easily change to any of the options available. To illustrate, let's switch from the donut to a column graph. You can also customize the calculation method used on the data. In this example, we will change the calculation method to total activity since the last bill amount. You can see the change immediately. Simply hover over the graph areas to see related information. Finally, you may want to see the table view as well as the graph. Toggling between the two is easy. You can also export an image of your graph as a JPG or PNG file. As always, to ensure you see your report the same way next time, be sure to save. We hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of AT&T Premier to support your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos in this series to learn more about using Premier.